Alright, hello everyone. It is time for bedroom fire alarm test 26. I got a bit of a fun one for you guys today, so let's go ahead and take a look at all the devices. For the pull stations, we got a couple interesting devices. On the left we have a device I haven't used in quite a while. It is my Kidda dual action pull station. As you can see there. It's kind of like an RSG, but what's different about it is that instead of having the fire alarm labeling on the top, it's actually on this lift cover. And as you see when I lift it up, there is no real lettering for fire alarm. On the right we have an Edwards 279B1110, if I'm not mistaken on that model. It's got the screw reset on the top like a 270. So yeah, there those are. For the notification appliances, this is where the fun happens. On the left we have a Wheelock NS-24MCW set on code 3 horn low volume. It is a slightly older variation with the gray cover piece on the back and the slightly scratchier lower pitched horn. And actually what's interesting about this particular unit is, for those of you that follow me on Instagram, this NS is my profile picture of it mounted on a piece of plywood in my basement back when it was on the home system. That was a while ago, but here it is now. Code 3 horn, 15 candela, low volume, pretty standard. And on the right we have a Wheelock 7002-24. Again, older variation. You know, it's got the open grill, it's got wire leads on the back, so it's an older model. It sounds kind of nice. It's on continuous and the strobe skips when it flashes, so 7002T enthusiasts will have a good time with this one. So this is a loud system. For the smoke detectors, I don't believe I've changed any of these out. We got the 2400 and the two addressable smoke detectors. I don't think we're going to be doing any of these today. I might do the 2400, not sure yet. We'll see. So yeah, let's get started. Let's start with the Kidda pull station. And since those are both 2-wire, there's no audible silence today, which is unusual for me. So yeah, it's going to be different. Next we'll go ahead and do the Edwards pull. And what the heck, we'll do the 2400 because why not? Just poke this little test button in here. Alright, we're going to go and reset all these pull stations. The Kidda pull station, it uses a special key. It says England on it. This is the only pull station I know of that uses this key, so yeah. So you open it, there's the inside of it, And there's the model, kit of Fenwal ink. You push that handle back up manually, and then you can close it back and put the handle back down, and that's reset. This one, as you can kind of see in the top, uses a little screw to reset. So use the flathead screwdriver like that, flip the switch down, push the handle back up, snap it shut, and that lift handle will flap back into place because it's, you know, I don't know, it's kind of loose on there, so yeah. That smoke detector will reset on its own. You don't have to reset that. It'll happen when we hit reset on the panel. So we'll go ahead and do that now. So that is the end of today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my links in my description. Thank you and have a great day.